Hello friends, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to make mango aloe vera hair conditioner. So all you need is one mango and we're gonna use half of it. It needs to be ripened. Okay, so I'm gonna peel the mango. I'm gonna slice it into little pieces. Okay, so right here I'm slicing it into a glass bowl. You can use any type of mango really. So I'm using that one. And once I'm done slicing it, I'm gonna be, here it is. So I'm gonna be adding aloe vera to it as well, or aloe, okay? So I'm just gonna slice my aloe into little pieces as well. So that way I can add it to the mango, right there and here. So I'm gonna use honey. You can use any type. That's what I have. So I'm gonna add some honey to it. That's gonna help add shine to your hair. And I'm also gonna use a few tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any type of olive oil for this mixture that you're gonna be making. So now that I have everything mixed in a bowl, I'm gonna transfer it to my blender and I'm gonna agitate it until it's turned into a smoothie or the conditioner. Okay, so right there we have it, and I'll show you what it looks like in. So okay guys, here we have it done. I have it done, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just seed it through so that way I can catch any amount of fiber that's in it, because you do not want that to go on your hair because it's gonna cause knots and breakage. Okay, so here we're just gonna go ahead and do that. So here we have the end products. Looks very nice. And here that's the consistency of it. Okay, very moisturizing. So yeah, so just to demonstrate, here's my dry hair. I'm gonna take down my braids and then I'm gonna apply it. So here I have my hair, it's freshly washed. Okay, I've gone ahead and shampooed it, and now I'm gonna work in small sections. Okay, and I'm gonna apply it to my scalp, and I'm gonna apply it to the length of my hair very well. I'm gonna be very generous with it. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching that part. Please consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like this content. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video. So okay guys, here I have my hair. I rinsed it out and I conditioned it. My hair feels so soft and so nice, and you can see how my knots just melt away stress free. and breakage free. So it's really nice. I hope you'll consider giving this a try. Okay, thank you for watching.